We want to make it as easy as possible for you to pay your bill. If you want to pay online, there are 3 options. First, you can set up a direct debit payment from your bank account. It's a simple, safe, reliable and convenient way to pay bills automatically. The direct debit guarantee protects you against any incorrect payments to give you total peace of mind. To set up a direct debit and have the chance to win £10,000 before June 29, 2012, visit our direct debit page at www.dwrcymru.com. We also offer a safe and secure online credit or debit card payment system which is very easy to use. Simply visit our online payment page and have your customer reference number and credit or debit card details at hand. Any payment you make will be credited to your account in 1 working day. The third payment option is Santander Bill Pay. You'll need to register first with Santander Bill Pay. Once you've completed the registration, simply insert the amount you wish to pay and the money will be transferred to your water account. But if you don't want to pay online, you can pay your bill by calling our 24-hour automated payment line on 0800 028 5209. All you need is a valid credit or debit card and your customer reference number. If you'd prefer to pay at a local shop, look for the Pay Point sign. You'll be able to pay there free of charge. You can also pay free of charge at any branch of NatWest or your own bank. Please take your bill when making payment and complete a payment slip. Or go to the post office. Just take your bill and payment card or booklet to any post office and complete the Giro credit slip. Finally, you can also pay by post. Please complete and attach the Giro slip from your bill and send it together with your cheque or postal order to Direct Debit Welsh Water, PO Box 690, Cardiff CF3 5WL. Just make your cheque or postal order payable to Direct Cymru Cyf and write your customer reference number on the back. You'll find the number on your bill.